verification neural net projection line. In previous class, I demonstrated you how to build neural net projection line with timing solution software. And as you can see, the projection line looks very promising. It explains the price movement very well. I show you just one screenshot from my previous class. This is bold, this is line, this is projection line, and thin line, this is a real price. And as you can see, this projection line explains price movement very well. So if I would really this projection line, we can make a lot of money, and we can make this money very fast. And the question is, can we actually trust this projection line? For example, if we start to build this projection line starting from today and apply this projection line to make trading decision, can we make some money from that? To answer this question, we need to apply non-future mix technology, the technology that do not see the future price movement. The main tool here, this is LBC, Learning Border Cursor, and we will use LBC to verify our projection line. So let's start. I have downloaded again Bitcoin, and now let's do this. I will set LBC, Learning Border Cursor, to beginning of year 2020. You see, I highlight this interval, and now I make right mouse click, and you see in pop-up menu there is set LBC to 0101 2020. So look at this, this vertical line, this is LBC, and price history after LBC, this is out of sample price history. Price before LBC, this is in sample price history. You even can hide this price history, so the price history after LBC is invisible now. So now I built neural net. Let's build a standard our model that I built in previous class. This is neural net SPX model. Okay, do it. I click here, run, set target output relative price oscillator model, dynamic model, SPX model. So click calculate. I run optimization now and wait. Training is done, the program optimized neural net, and now you see this is actually the core idea of non-future link technology. To optimize neural net, the program used the price history before LBC only. The price history after LBC, this price history the program did not use at all. Let's check how our neural net works before LBC in sample interval. Actually you can do it easy this way. Just run open panel, neural net panel, and just highlight a piece of price history before LBC. You see, it looks very good. And correlation between price, relative price oscillator and projection lines, 94.5%. It's holy grail. What about here? It's 78.8%. Super. It's super. Yeah, looks very good. You see, the before LBC, everything is good. But now, cross your fingers and look how our projection line works after LBC. I do it. What's up? It's correlation minus 12%, and it's not good. What about here? Nothing. No. What about here? You see? So you can see that everything works perfectly before LBC, but after LBC nothing works. This is actually what I do more than 20 years, 30 years I think. We need to find the model that works good not before LBC. Usually they do forecast using price history, using in sample data. But out of sample, this is another story. So you need to find model that works not before LBC only, but also after LBC. And so how to do it? Actually, I have not another choice. I simply check all models one by one. So I will remove this model, aspects model, and let's check another model. Let's try this, for example, dynamic model. I like dynamic model. Click here, okay, and run training again. So wait a bit again. While neural net is training, I would like to show you something. You see, dynamic model. This is very specific model, and it provides you see projection line. It looks choppy. You see there are like breaks here. So I recommend actually smooth this dynamic projection line. In order to smooth projection line, use this option. You see this option, this, and just set it to 5 or 7. Let's say 7. Look how projection line will look now. Okay, you see it's smoother. Okay, so wait. Actually, we can see now. We can see now that it works good before LBC. So as expected, everything perfectly after LBC. What is going on? Everything good before LBC. Sorry, but what about after LBC? No, not good. So correlation is negative, and so yeah, it's some moves it catches, but not all. It catches this move, but all other move did not catch. So I think this model is not working as well. Okay, so let's okay, stop neural net training. Let's check some other model. Usually I set dozens of models. Let's check. Firstly, I recommend to check this natural cycles model, and here you can analyze annual cycles, Venus phases cycle, and let's set a Mercury phases cycle. So it shows amount harmonics for each cycle, and run this model. Do all. Wait. 28 steps, and as expected, it works very good on in sample interval. I will display neural net panel again. It's easy to do it this way, to check the model this way, to see correlation between price and projection. You see, it looks so good. Okay, what about after LBC? I will highlight the whole interval, and you see, it seems to me this model works better. It's 15%. Actually, for out of sample, be ready for 10, 15%, 20%. It's super. And it seems to me this model works better. There is some. Let's highlight. I see what is here. No, actually, not bad as well. Yeah. So it seems to me this model works better. So this is what have to apply neural net technology. You need to leave some price history after LBC, and after that check all the models one by one. Find the model that works good after LBC.